Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a truly versatile and essential piece of tech for anyone needing reliable USB connectivity, especially if you're a musician with a Peavey 6505 plus 6505 plus 112 combo amp or 6505 mH mini head. We're talking about the 6-foot USB cable microphone simulated USB audio record out laptop PC cord replacement from Supply Source. Now, the name might sound a bit specific, and it is particularly for those Peavey amps, suggesting its role in facilitating audio recording out from your amplifier to your laptop or PC. This is a crucial function for capturing your sound directly and cleanly. But beyond that specialized application, this cable is a workhorse for a wide array of devices. It's essentially a high-quality USB 2.0 A-mail to B-mail printer cable, making an ideal solution for connecting your keyboard, mouse, scanner, external hard drive, printer, server, camera, and many other USB-enabled peripherals to your computer. Its versatility truly stands out. When it comes to performance, this cable doesn't disappoint. It boasts a data transmission speed of up to 480 megabits per second, ensuring quick and efficient transfers for all your data needs. What's more, it's fully backwards compatible with older USB 1.1 and even USB 1.0 standard devices, operating at 12 megabits per second and 1.5 megabits per second respectively. This means you won't have any compatibility issues with your existing gear, making it a truly plug-and-play experience right out of the box. No drivers, no complicated setup, just connect and go. The build quality is another area where this cable shines. It's constructed with corrosion-resistant, gold-plated connectors. This isn't just for show. Gold plating ensures optimal signal integrity and durability over time, preventing signal degradation and ensuring a stable connection for years to come. The 6-foot length provides ample reach, giving users flexibility in their setup without being tethered too closely to their devices. It's a brand new, high-quality product, ensuring that users are getting a fresh and reliable cable for their needs. While it's a non-OEM product, the quality specifications suggest it's built to perform just as well, if not better, than many original equipment manufacturer cables. So, whether you're looking to record your electric guitar directly from your Peavey 6505 plus amp to your PC, or simply need a dependable cable for your printer or scanner, this 6-foot USB cable from Supply Source offers a robust and high-performing solution. Its combination of speed, compatibility, and premium construction makes it a smart choice for anyone seeking a reliable USB 2.0 connection.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.